Pho, Vietnam's national dish, embodies its culinary heritage. Originating in early 20th century Hanoi, pho was influenced by French colonial beef stews and Chinese noodle soups. Today, over 2,000 pho stalls operate in Hanoi alone, serving 10 million bowls annually. This humble dish reflects resilience, born from scarcity, now a symbol of pride. Northern Pho, like its people, values subtlety, clear broth, minimal garnishes, and reverence for tradition. Northern Pho broth is a labor of love, simmered for 12+ hours. Key ingredients include beef bones, charred ginger, and star anise, a spice introduced via the Silk Road. Skimming impurities ensures clarity, a technique passed down generations. Unlike the South, Northern broth uses no sugar, relying on bone marrow for depth. This meticulous process yields a delicate, aromatic liquid that defines Hanoi's pho identity. A classic Hanoi Pho Bowl is a study in minimalism: flat rice noodles, rare beef slices that cook in the broth, and a sprinkle of green onions. No bean sprouts or herbs overwhelm the broth's purity. This reflects northern Vietnam's climate. Cooler winters favor heartier, less adorned dishes. Locals often add only lime or garlic vinegar, letting the broth's craftsmanship shine. In Hanoi, pho is breakfast, a ritual starting at 6 a.m. Over 60% of locals eat pho weekly, often standing at crowded stalls. The dish fuels workers and students alike. Its protein-rich broth provides sustained energy. Notice how diners slurp noodles loudly, a sign of enjoyment. This communal experience, amid honking motorbikes, encapsulates Vietnam's fast-paced urban life. As pho migrated south during Vietnam's 1954 partition, it evolved. Warmer climates and abundant produce birthed Saigon's vibrant style. The Reunification Express train, linking Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh City, carried pho's legacy. Southerners embraced sweeter, bolder flavors, mirroring the Mekong Delta's fertile lands. This 1,700-kilometer journey transformed pho into two distinct culinary dialects. Southern pho broth is sweeter, with rock sugar and roasted onions. It simmers faster, 8 to 10 hours, but packs more ingredients: beef brisket, tendon, and sometimes chicken. Herbs like Thai basil and sawtooth coriander reflect the tropics. This kitchen's chaos, multiple pots, piles of garnishes, mirrors Saigon's energetic spirit. Fun fact: Southerners consume 40% more pho per capita than Northerners. Saigon-style pho is a feast for the senses. The bowl overflows with toppings: bean sprouts, lime, basil, and hoisin sauce. Broth is darker, richer, and often paired with meatballs or tendon. This abundance reflects the South's agricultural wealth. Locals customize fiercely. Some add chili paste until the broth turns red, a practice rare in the North. In Ho Chi Minh City, pho is eaten all day, a stark contrast to Hanoi's breakfast tradition. Office workers queue at noon. Families gather for late-night bowls. Southern pho shops often stay open until 2 a.m., catering to Vietnam's night owl culture. This adaptability reflects Saigon's cosmopolitan history, where Chinese, Khmer, and French influences melded into 24/7 street food vitality. Pho's soul lies in its broth spices. Northern versions use fewer spices, star anise, cinnamon, while southern broths add cardamom and coriander seeds. Charring onions and ginger removes bitterness, a trick from French cuisine. Bone-to-water ratios are sacred: too little, and broth lacks depth; too much, and it becomes cloudy. Mastering this balance takes years, often guarded like family heirlooms. Meet Madame Lin, a third-generation pho vendor in Hanoi. Her grandfather sold pho from a bamboo pole during the 1945 famine. Today, her 6 a.m., 10 a.m. stall serves 200+ bowls daily. Pho is memory, she says, stirring the same pot her mother used. In Saigon, Mr. Min's family adds coconut water to broth, a secret tweak from his Cambodian grandmother. These stories stitch Vietnam's fabric. Pho's freshness hinges on dawn market runs. Hanoi's Long Bien Market sells 5 tons of beef bones daily. Southern chefs prioritize Mekong Delta herbs. Thai basil's peppery kick is irreplaceable. Rice noodles must be made same day. Stale ones turn gummy. This ingredient rigor reflects Vietnam's farm-to-table ethos long before it was trendy. Fun fact: pho noodles are 1 to 2 millimeters thick, a precision ensuring perfect slurpability. Beyond daily meals, pho stars in Tet, Lunar New Year, and weddings. Giant pots serve 50+ guests, symbolizing unity. Some families add duck or shrimp to mark festivities, a twist purists debate. During the 1970s diaspora, pho became a taste of home for refugees. Today, Vietnam's Pho Festival draws 10,000+ visitors yearly, celebrating how a simple bowl unites generations. Urban chefs are reimagining pho, vegan broths from mushrooms, deconstructed pho salads, even pho-inspired cocktails. Saigon's pho tacos fuse Mexican-Vietnamese flavors. Yet, innovation respects roots. Many use ancestral broth methods. Google Trends shows a 300% spike in fusion pho searches since 2020. Whether traditional or trendy, pho's adaptability ensures its future. For visitors, that first pho bite is cultural baptism. Locals coach newcomers, slurp noodles loudly to cool them. The ritual, adding herbs, squeezing lime, becomes shared joy. Anthony Bourdain called pho a gateway drug to Vietnam. With 18 million annual tourists pre-pandemic, pho isn't just food, it's diplomacy in a bowl, bridging continents. From war to globalization, pho tells Vietnam's story. It's breakfast for a farmer, comfort for an expat, and identity for a nation. UNESCO now considers pho for cultural heritage status. Whether in Hanoi's mist or Saigon's neon glow, each bowl carries centuries of resilience, innovation, and shared humanity. As the Vietnamese say, no pho, no life.